What I really like about this conference is the quick 20-minute presentations because you're able to cover a wide variety of topics. And the way that things are set up, if you're interested in finding out more, you kind of just get a taste of what the topic is about, enough to give you the general knowledge that a lot of people are seeking when they're looking at different things. But because it's such an intimate conference with not only the vendors right next to the speakers floor, but the speakers being right there with us in the audience, it's nice to follow up if you have some additional questions, and the pace really moves along quickly and keeps you interested, and you don't kind of get dragged down by an overly long or overly complex presentation. There's several different vendors that we've known about but haven't really been able to connect with. So it's been nice to connect with those people. But there's also a couple new vendors that, surprisingly, when I looked at the list, I didn't know that I would be talking with them. But after talking with them, there's some potential there for us to perhaps do some business together.
You get kind of busy and ingrained in the business of, cranking out energy efficiency and budgets and all this kind of thing. So this is a really good, way to kind of step back and take a look at long-term strategies and things that you really want to do. And think the focused approach of, having a limited number of people so you have more time to get into detailed discussions. Yeah, the masses, sometimes I hate to wait in line to talk to somebody about something, and this format actually provides a pretty focused approach for us to get information very quickly.
We love to go to these different types of conferences, but then usually work falls behind. So what's really nice is this is a real quick hit. You cover a lot of very topical things, and then you're back into your office routine right away.
The format that FMA uses, I really like, and then having users, other major companies that are energy users discuss their programs and best practices. I think been very, very helpful in a very good format for me. And the companies that are here, I think are top-notch ones that have very good products and services. So we have, interacted with a number of them since last year. And again, it's a good way to find out a little bit more in detail about folks, and just trying to maybe walk through a, exhibit hall and not really get to know them very well. So I think a networking piece of it has actually been very advantageous for us.